It is our vision to create a closely connected world by supplying world-class equipment and technology to bridge over mountains and rivers. We, Handan China Railway HCA, as the global leading supplier of specialized bridge construction equipment, are writing a new chapter in China and even global bridge construction industry. Over the decades, HCA has been fueling the industry growth and improvement with our state-of-art technology and high-quality products, constantly outgrowing market expectation and technological limitations. Moving forward, HCA dedicates itself in providing even better products and satisfactory service based on its excellent technical expertise, vast and impressive track record and exceptional problem-solving ability. Over the years, HCA has always focused on the need of our clients and paid full attention to each and every site situation. It is our unequivocal devotion in innovation and R&D that helps us to grow continuously to what we are now. Started from machine repair, HCA has since excelled into equipment design and build, project consultancy and operation, one-stop total solution provider. And at the same time, we have expanded significantly on the international market. In 1997, our first construction team was established. In 2005, we converted from state-owned to a fully private-owned company. In 2011, our first Malaysian subsidiary was formed. In 2018, THB was established to provide bridge launching services. We have also developed extensive worldwide network through agencies in the United States, South Korea, Mexico, Turkey, Egypt, Poland, India, and other countries. Back in 1950s and 1960s, HCA mainly involved in railway construction services and the overhaul services of railway specialty equipment. In the early 1990s, HCA has successfully designed and manufactured the Long March series of beam launcher and track layer machine. With the rapid development of national transportation infrastructure, HCA very own R&D team brought innovations into bridge construction equipment by launching DJ Series beam erector for highway viaduct and rail track viaduct, DJP Series beam erector and track laying machine, DJ Series track laying machine, GPX60E Series rail track panel production line, DJ Series beam erector for highway viaduct, JSHB Series beam erector for highway viaduct, straddle carrier and multi-axle transporter for 40 meters span 1100 tons for high-speed rail, LG Series, span-by-span and balanced cantilever launching gantry and segment erectors, to provide clients with satisfactory solutions is the eternal pursuit of HCA. It is our great honor that our product quality, technological advancement, working environment versatility, superior cost-effectiveness, complete range of services and other business values are widely recognized and highly sought of by a wide range of our clients. HCA's products have excellently served in more than 50 key China construction projects such as Hangzhou Shaoxing Taizhou High-Speed Railway, Shanghai Hongqiao Airport Light Rail, and projects in more than 40 countries, including United States, South Korea, Malaysia, India, Brunei, Sri Lanka. HCA's bridge construction equipment is capable of overcoming challenging construction limitations, such as huge slope, small horizontal curvature, limited space, last span before tunnel and first span after tunnel construction, erection suit for both single and double track bridges and etc. The modular design of HCA's bridge construction equipment effectively eased the transportation issue of the oversized equipment. This allows equipment to be moved in limited tunnel space without dismantling it. Equipment safety, simplicity, high efficiency and other performances are not only the major considerations of clients. They are also the breakthrough targets of our innovation and improvement works. HCA has emerged as an apex solution provider for special and complicated projects.
3月28号，江西南昌洪都，
从运输到吊装，80分钟全部完成。这是目前全世界最快的架桥速度。
Project site safety is the utmost task of all project managements. Providing superior product quality and performance is our commitment to all stakeholders. We maintain constantly high monitoring and quality control throughout the entire design and manufacturing process. Always improving, forever creative and innovative are our ways to become a world-class organization. "70 years of relentless hard work has transformed us into a major industry player. Globally. Looking forward, HCA vows to provide our clients with high-quality products and satisfactory services as ever before. We are proud to accept all sorts of challenges and we will never give up. The best is never good enough. We will overcome all obstacles with our innovation and strong will to achieve even greater height and success in bridge construction industry." Building bridge? Connecting the world. HCA, your bridge construction machinery specialist.